Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So if you've watched my last video, you'll know that I recently went on vacation to south of France and I still owe you a haul video. I didn't buy that much, so this haul isn't limited to luxury items, but also miscellaneous and some touristy stuff. Plus, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I spent a weekend on Mallorca at the beginning of the month, so I figured I might as well include the items I purchased there as well. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh, and obviously subscribe if you haven't already, that would mean so much to me. So yeah, safe to say I went a little crazy with postcards, but I just really like the graphic design and I have a little DIY idea, but we'll get to that later. Anyway, on to the pièce de résistance. On our first day in France, we spent a day in Saint-Tropez and, well, I didn't manage to leave the Chanel boutique empty-handed. Unfortunately, you weren't allowed to film or take photos inside, but the boutique was absolutely stunning. It used to be a residential house of a famous French hairdresser, I want to say, and it had a huge backyard with a pool and a pool house, just absolutely stunning. Maybe go look it up on Instagram because I know some people sneakily took pictures and videos anyway, but yeah. As you can see, to reveal, I bought a pair of earrings and I'm praying to the Chanel gods that I won't lose any Strauss crystals anytime soon. I know I wanted to reduce my costume jewelry purchases, but I haven't bought a pair of Chanel earrings in almost 2 years, so that's how I kind of justified these. Plus, I knew that I wanted to buy something to commemorate the trip, basically. And here's the reference code of the earrings in case you're interested and want to try to hunt these down. Anyway, on to the miscellaneous stuff. I know these basically scream, hi, I'm a tourist, but after almost 2 years of not having been able to travel, I honestly don't care. The plan was to buy these type of mugs or shot glasses in basically every city that we went to, but unfortunately I wasn't able to find this design in Cannes nor in Saint-Tropez, so I had to improvise a little and bought couple of other shot glasses. And in case you're wondering, I don't know how it started, but for some reason I always buy souvenir shot glasses when on vacation, and for someone who doesn't even drink hard liquor, I have quite a sizable collection at this point. Go figure. And because I didn't buy enough postcards already, I also purchased a couple in Cannes. Again, love the design. I think the design is different than the one on the previous postcards, but I still really like the colorway and stuff. And this is the DIY project that I was referring to earlier. The idea is to maybe frame these. I don't know, let me know what you think about it. And because why not, I also purchased a handful of bars of soap. The idea is to put these in my walk-in closet. I did film a dedicated tour of my closet room, basically, in case you're interested. I'm gonna leave a link to that in the description box below. Anyway, the idea is to put these bars of soap in my closet to make it smell nice, I guess. That's the idea. I haven't tried it out yet, but these smell delicious. And I think the smell is potent enough to possibly translate to my clothes as well. And yeah, the last item, or second to last, I think, is this reusable shopping tote that I bought at Galeries Lafayette in Nice. I think I paid like $2.50 for it. Yeah, such a steal. And the last item, which I'm completely obsessed with, and as you can see, I already found a space for it in my apartment, is this artwork. I'm gonna leave a link to the boutique, or the shop where I purchased this. It's basically on it's not framed, but it's pretty thick and screen printed on a piece of wood, I guess. Don't ask me about the technicalities, but yeah, obviously I love New York City. I've been there 3 times and I really want to go back. The last time I went was in 2017, I think. And yeah, I really like the design. The colors are just incredible. Anyway, that's the name of the store, and I did do some research and I think that's the name of the artist. And as I mentioned, I also spent a weekend on Mallorca. In Mallorca? It's an island, so I guess on Mallorca. Anyway, and I found the exact same design of these shot glasses in tiny little mugs that I purchased in south of France, so obviously I had to take advantage. Unfortunately, they only say España and not Mallorca, but I'm fine with that. And I also went to Starbucks. I don't really collect these mugs. For example, I didn't buy any while in south of France, but I do have some at home, and I thought, yeah, the colorway looked nice, and the Balearic Islands, obviously, yeah, Mallorca is a part of that, the large one in the middle right there. And that does it already. As I said, I didn't buy that much. I didn't show you a pair of sunglasses. Yeah, they're somewhere in my wardrobe. I wasn't able to find them. And also 2 jumpers. One of them I purchased at Stradivarius in Mallorca, and another one I purchased in Nice. I can't quite remember the name of the store, but since this is a faceless video of myself, it was a little hard to show you these properly, so maybe in an upcoming video. By the way, I usually show my face, but if you follow me on Instagram, you may know that I've been really busy at work, and yeah, sometimes on the weekends as well. And if I don't work on the weekends, I can't be bothered to get ready and stuff, but I promise I'm gonna try to get back in the swing of things in terms of filming YouTube videos and actual sit down videos. I have a lot of fun stuff planned, and I would really appreciate if you could consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Thumb up this video if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about the items that I purchased, and also if you have any further questions or like video suggestions, feel free to pop them in the comments below. I would really appreciate your feedback. And again, thanks so much for watching. Thumb up this video, subscribe, and until next week, bye.